Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I am going to share you how to use ChatGPT 3 for your content creation. So ChatGPT 3 is used in many ways from creating website to writing a script. But in this video, I am going to share you what are the ways you can use ChatGPT 3 for your content creation, and I am going to use one of those, and at the end of this video I am going to share you one of the tip for you. So without wasting any time, let us start our video. So let us start with the blog writing. So ChatGPT 3 can help you in writing the blog. So I'll be just showing all the procedure, where to write, what to do, everything. So let's start the video about blog writing. So open the ChatGPT 3 and copy the prompt given in the description and paste it in the ChatGPT. So I'll be just giving all the prompts and websites in my description. So check it out. So just it will give all the blog whatever you want, so you can add any topic whatever you want, and it will give headings too for the blog title. And just what you need to do is copy these all things and paste it in any of these websites. So I just use a medium for sharing my blogs or whatever. So here is how you can do it. You need to sign up and title everything you need to fill up. I already fill up. So I'll be going to Amazon because I am using affiliate marketing blog, so that I'll be using few products, so that I could add in my blog and make it as affiliate marketing too. So you can select any of this product and copy the link and just paste it in your blog. So I just already done everything and I'm just giving voiceover on the screen recorded. So let us see, and let us publish this and see what it will be. So here is what I pasted it. So this is the code iframe tag. Let us see, will it give the output or not. So I am using this first time to show you how to write a blog, so that even I can learn and you can learn too. So let us publish this. Alright, this is what I published. So it didn't give me any output, so that I'll just remove this and paste it any of the image from the Google. So I'll just remove this all thing and I'll be just pasting image. So to do that, click enter and you will get an plus icon. So click that icon and you can add images too. So I just added this image. So not only this medium, you can also use many other websites like Google News, Microsoft Edge News and everything, so that you can publish your blog and earn through that. So I'll be just publishing this. I'll be just giving the link in my description. So just so check it out. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how you can write a script from ChatGPT 3. So let us go into it. Before that, I'll just show you how it looks. So if they click the link, just it will be opening the Amazon website. If they buy, I'll be just getting a commission from that. So now let us see the script, how the ChatGPT 3 gives you the script. So let us open ChatGPT 3. So here is what I just done. I just set it to write a story of movie, science fiction. I just casted few characters and it gave complete script. Not only for this, even you can use for your YouTube videos or whatever you want, whatever the topic you want. So I'll be just showing you Indian economy. It will just give all the structured script, where to cut, where to add the b-roll videos, everything. So it will help you completely in how to do YouTube videos too. So I'll just add the captions for my YouTube video right now what I'm doing. So even it will be useful to write create a title or caption. So just let's see still more captions for this. So let's see still more captions. So whatever I am seeing here, I'll be just adding these captions in my YouTube video too. Let us see how it reaches to every audience. So here is all the captions. So I'll be just copying and pasting it. But wait, what if you are not a content creator but you want to earn money? So I'll be just sharing you how to do that. So you can help other people who are creating content by ChatGPT 3, helping them to create their content. So I'll be just showing it. Let's see how it will be. So first of all, open the. I'll be showing few websites. So open that and keep it ready. So first we can open the freelancer, which is the website where you can search for many clients who will give you projects. So open the freelancer and log in. If you don't have any account, sign up. So I'll just log in into my account. So I just log into my account. Here is how the display looks. So this is how the display looks. So if you could see, this is whatever projects you can search for projects, or you can just you'll get a few notification when you register. So I'll just search for content creation. So even let us see in the notification, so too, so that I could do any project. Meanwhile, I'll be checking everything. So here is what I got about writing a story for a client. So I'll be just showing that too. So they said to write a story on science fiction and everything. So I'll just open ChatGPT 3 and write whatever the client wants. So it will give all those information, all those story, and I'll be just pasting, copying that story and pasting it for my client, so that I could earn from that. If the order will be approved only if the client likes it. And also be aware of frauds too. So this is what it gave. I'll be just copying it and pasting it in my freelancer website. But what if you don't want to search in these freelancer websites and search for clients, and you want to try offline? So I'll be just sharing you how to do that too. So I'll be saying how to do like cold calls, cold emails, everything. So open the Google Chrome and search for whoever the client you want to target, and search wherever the place you want. You can search nearby places or wherever the place you want to target, and just go for Google Maps and search for their mobile number. You will get mobile number. Just call them and explain whatever the service you want to give as a content creator. Help them to showcase their product in online platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, whatever you want. So this is all about the video. If you felt something informative in this video, please like this video and also share to someone who wants this. And if you are watching till the end, please comment me that you watched till the end. So I'll be coming with more interesting videos. So subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you will not miss my videos. Thank you.